guys, Sophia here for my great challenge. Welcome back to my channel. It is day 30, which you will see on the 31st. I'm doing a combined day 30 and 31 for Halloween. I wanted to show you some decorations. So there's this guy here, and then there's this guy. Let's go check him out. We are in Clifton, New Jersey. Hey, for those of you wondering why there's no video on the 30th, because I'm being interviewed today, I'm waiting for Stephanie from Stephanie Socha Design to get on the Skype so I can be interviewed. And I'm like all giddy and freaking out. I didn't know if it was going to be video, just audio. Turns out it's only audio, so I pulled out all my sparkle and everything, trying to look my very best. But apparently it's only going to be audio, and you're not going to hear the whole show until January 9th, I think. That's when she's going to post it on her blog, podcast. I'll put the link down below so you can check her out before then. And then of course when it's out I'll let you know. But yeah, that's what's going on in my life. I went to work today and then I came back home, just had enough time to go film some Halloween footage for you guys, and now I'm ready to have an interview. Busy. It's really busy. So I don't know how that's gonna go. I hope I don't put my foot in my mouth and say something absolutely embarrassing that I will regret for the rest of my YouTube career, but we shall see. Okay, here we go. Here's Willie as
Bob Ross.
Bob Ross, but he doesn't want to wear.
I don't want to wear the beard because it's uncomfortable.
It's uncomfortable. Okay, you ready to go trick-or-treating?
Yes.
All right, off we go. What time your friends coming?
6
6 o'clock?
to 9.
6 to 9, oh my goodness.
6 going into 9.
Okay, all right, off you go.
Do I need to make an appointment? I've been thinking about it. I do. Before, it's so funny that I bumped into.
Hi, Maria.
I remembered it already. Wait, I'm good here.
Good. So it's raining. This is my neighborhood. This is the beginning of Halloween. We get over 1,000 kids every year. If you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you know that. It's just the beginning, and it's really, really poor weather. We're in the middle of a storm. It's about to pick up, and it's already raining now. They close the street, and pretty much the entire town and all the adjacent towns show up here. And it's just the beginning now. It goes all the way up to 10 p.m. So there's basically about 5 hours worth of Halloween going on my street. It gets to be a little annoying after a while, especially when we run out of candy pretty much within an hour. And we go through about 9 pounds worth of it. What is this guy dressed as?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
It looks like a pizza. Oh no, he's a barbecue grill. That's cool. Hey, that's a cool costume. I like that. I don't know, man. It looks like Halloween was ruined by the rain this year. We still have candy, and it's 6 o'clock. Usually by now it's all gone. But we still have plenty of kids. Oh, here's a group coming. What are you?
I'm a
Day of the Dead. Very pretty. Oh boy, stay calm. We got Ninja Turtle and Captain America and the Flash. All right. Take 2.
Fast. Super fast.
Thank you.
Yeah.
He's cute. Oh, you got a little Flash pressure thing going on. All right. Happy Halloween.
Be careful going down the stairs.
Oh, here's another superhero. We got Spider-Man coming.
All right. Hi there.
Oh, okay. All right. Looks like it's about to be the end of the candy. We're down to the bubble gum and a few Kit Kats. That is really cool. What are you?
The purge.
That's why.
The Purge. Wow. Okay, I need to go out more often. No idea what it is. Help yourself. Purge my bowl.
That's why.
So, your friends here yet?
Yeah, they're on the street, but I don't know.
All right, your curfew is 8 p.m., mister. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, pass the milk duds. Thank you, thank you. Come on, there's more. And a heat bar. All right. You on your own, dude. I gotta go at it. All right, that's the end of Vlogtober 2019. We still have that much candy left.
There's
and
still more inside.
Oh my goodness. How much candy did you buy this year?
A lot.
Okay. All right, so it's only 6:30 and we still got a lot of kids coming in. Willie left. Don't know where Edward is. It's over for us. Oh, he's upstairs. Okay. I will see you next year for next Vlogtober. Otherwise, this weekend. Bye.